Hi, my name is Amy Gerrish, and I graduated from the Data Science program at Woz U. I chose Woz U because I needed a program that was available on my schedule, and I liked the fact that they had a local campus here near my house. So my experience with my instructors were great. If I had a question or anything, I could always shoot them a message, and they would get back to me super quickly and help me find the answer that I was looking for. They didn't exactly tell me the answers, but they would point me in the right direction so that I can figure it out myself and empower myself. So now that I've graduated and I have these new skills, I would love to take them to the next level with my career. I'm currently a real estate agent and I'm currently in the sales role, and I would love to take what I've learned and bring it to the next level and be more of a data analyst, a community analyst, and figure out what's going on in each community as far as development and things like that, and really help investors and future homeowners protect their investments. So I'm really excited about the Woz for Life program because technology moves so fast, and even with data science, even though a lot of it is analyzing and cleaning data, a lot of the new stuff that has to do with artificial intelligence and AI building is constantly going to grow and need updating. So I'm really excited to be able to have access to that.